It's a dear diary moment for me because I'm sitting here with my favorite cricketer, and you all know how much I like sports and sports personalities. Yes, with our former Indian cricketer, Mr. Venkatesh Prasad, here today to talk about fitness. Hello, sir. Can you say mad morning once?
Hi everybody, it's a mad morning, yes, of course.
That's the Josh we're all going to expect, and you have been associated with Canara Bank for so long, and you're going to be a part of Canara Bank Marathon 2025 on November 23rd. But I want to start with fitness, sir, especially after having been an athlete for so long. You know, how important is fitness to you even today?
Oh, fitness for me is extremely important, and for me, the day starts with fitness. Honestly, yeah, I'm an early riser, early to bed and early to rise. So first thing that I do is head to my gym or probably a run or something like that. Depends on my mood. But generally, what I tend to do is I work out 5 days in the gym and no, 4 days I should say, and twice I run. That's my weekly program basically. So 4 times strength training and a couple of days in a week is running. But then I think it's not just for me. Every single individual needs to work on their fitness. Be it running, weight training, strength training. When I say weight training, it's strength training. Not looking to build your muscle unless you're competing in a certain sport. But otherwise, strength is extremely important. And endurance is the last one that goes. Basically, that comes down.
Right.
Otherwise, if somebody is not working on their strength, that's the first thing that sort of comes down basically.
Right.
Yeah. So it's important to work on one's strength, then endurance. I mean, if somebody likes it, be it cycling or be it yoga,
Right.
and it's picking up like anything yoga. It's in our culture, isn't it? Yoga. So I think if somebody can't run or do weight training, I think it's important to do yoga, or else play some sport,
Yes.
any sport for that matter. Whatever you like. Please don't sit at home. It's important to at least spend an hour on fitness, and it's extremely important for the parents
Yes.
to encourage their children. Absolutely, their children to go out and play, to run around and work on their fitness or something like that. That's something which I've not been seeing of late. Because everybody are so busy with their mobile. Yeah, absolutely, mobile and other things. Yeah, so I think that's what fitness is all about for me. And from the very young age, I've been playing a lot of sport.
And it shows, and it's good for both our mental health and our physical health.
Exactly.
And you have been a part of Canara Bank Marathon, for years now. You've been doing a 10K yourself, right?
Yeah, I love running.
Right.
And even when I was playing a sport, it was just running. Not much of weight training. The concept of weight training only came towards the end of my cricketing career. But then I always ran, and yes, Canara Bank Marathon. This is our 3rd consecutive year that's happening, and both the times it was a super success, I should say. It was brilliant response from the people of Bengaluru and also the people from India.
Yeah.
They're just loving it. Whoever I speak to, they keep asking when is our next marathon, and that's happening on the 23rd of November. This month, 2025. So we are expecting a huge crowd and huge response. And Bengaluru is obviously famous for the fitness culture. There is a fitness culture in the city. And I'm sure it's going to be a very grand success even this year as well.
And you're going to be there running with the crowd.
Oh yeah, very much. Both the times. Last 2 years I did run I took part in the 10K run.
Yeah.
And even this year as well, I'm doing a 10K run as well. So I just hope that everybody are going to be with us with Canara Bank on the 23rd of November. For this Canara Bank Marathon, which is for wellness and fitness.
Yes.
So I would definitely look forward to seeing everybody there, and also I'll be running this 10K.
I know, and that's the reason enough for a lot of people to run, because you'll be there inspiring everybody. You can just register on canarabankmarathon.com. Pay 23rd of November, Kantirava Stadium mein. And so how easy is 10K for you? I want to ask, easy peasy.
No, not at all, not at all. No, it's not that easy. But then, look, you have to keep on doing it. You have to keep on running, basically. And if you're used to something, then it's slightly easy. But then still, it's mind over matter, basically. Anything, more than anything else. If you put your mind into it, you can achieve anything. You can achieve anything. Not just 10K, half marathon, full marathon, anything. And I don't know. I'm thinking of. I've been talking to my friends about the Ironman,
Yeah.
but then for some reason I'm not able to find the time to do it.
Right.
But then so I think you need to take up some challenge. You
Right.
see, so I think if somebody hasn't done that, I think 23rd November is the day.
I know there's 3K, there's 5K, there's 10K, and it's not just about running, it's also about community building. So many people coming together on a day off early in the morning in Bengaluru. The vibe is going to be great, right?
Oh, absolutely brilliant vibes, and nothing like running in Bengaluru for the simple reason that the quality of air is fantastic compared to the other cities, and also it's not very hot. It's the right sort of temperature for anybody to run. And as you said, there's going to be a lot of family, a lot of kids. And last year, we saw probably an 85-year-old,
Wow.
or maybe a 90, I suppose. I think one person, he was running. I think they are the inspiration, I should say. It's not just me.
Yeah.
They are the ones who inspire a lot of them to run. I think so. I would definitely look for some huge response.
Sir, last year भी आपने participate किया था, you participated, and this year also you're going to be there.
Yeah.
And do you feel like it has helped you? Usually running marathons helps you get fitter and better for the next marathon. ये ठीक है, ये सही है, क्या है?
नहीं बिल्कुल, नॉट जस्ट फॉर मी, एनीबडी. मैं बोल रहा था पहले ही कि सब लोग भागना है, वो आदत डालना है सभी सभी लोग, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फिटनेस, आई वुड से, नॉट जस्ट रनिंग. तो मैं तो करता रहता हूँ, रनिंग करता रहता हूँ. एंड फॉर मी अ लॉट, बहुत कुछ जो समझो कुछ सोच रहेगा मेरा मन में, इफ देयर इज सम कंसर्न्स रहेगा. तो मैं जब भागता हूँ, अकेला भागता हूँ जनरली, सो जब मैं भागता रहता हूँ तो अ लॉट ऑफ सोल्यूशंस मिलता रहता है मेरे को. सो या डेफिनेटली है. सो ये मेरे ख्याल से सब लोग कोई फिटनेस, कुछ तो फिटनेस करना चाहिए. One is either running or playing some sort of a sport.
Right.
And मैं एक्चुअली लास्ट ईयर नहीं है, 2 साल हुआ है ऑलरेडी मैराथन, ये तीसरा साल है. तो दोनों साल में 10K किया था मैं. सो इवन दिस ईयर एज वेल मैं 10K का पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ, 10K में. एंड इट्स ग्रेट फन रहेगा, अच्छा. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट रनिंग एंड विनिंग अ मेडल, ऐसा नहीं है. पार्टिसिपेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो इसीलिए मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग आके पार्टिसिपेट करिए. There is three variants, 3K, 5K and 10K. Right. But I'll be running the 10K. I've got a certain time as well. I want to complete it under 1 hour. Yeah, but
what was it last time?
It's under 1 hour. Oh, nice. It's like 58, 59 उसमें. But I think I'm slowing down, I guess. पता नहीं. But when I run with a lot of people, बहुत लोगों के साथ जब मैं शुरू करता हूँ भागने के लिए, so that itself inspires, very true, inspires and infectious, no doubt. So probably yes, this time also मैं 1 घंटे के अंदर finish करने के लिए देख रहा हूँ. But nevertheless, I think it's important to participate. That's what is important. So I request everybody to participate.
It's usually a game changer. Once you run a marathon, it makes you look at fitness and running in a very different way. It's been a game changer for me, and I hope that it would be the same. But sir, I want to lighten the mood. I want to play a quick rapid fire. Not sensational. It's going to be very, very easy for you. Are you ready?
Yeah, very much. Yeah.
Say one person you would pick. Anybody, quite well-known person to run with, a marathon with, who would that be?
Run marathon with?
Yeah.
Okay, oh my God, that's how is it easy? ये easy कैसे? ये तो मुश्किल question पूछ लिया आप. Probably my very good friend here who is standing right there, Srinivas Murthy. He's very good. Oh, he is a long distance runner. Yeah, so
वो भी बहुत fit दिख रहा है.
बहुत ही fit है वो.
Well, next question, आपके किचन में क्या अलाउड नहीं है? एकदम से नो आप किस चीज़ के लिए बोलते हो? शुगर, मैदा, anything like that?
क्या चीज़ है बोलो तो चीज़ है.
No cheese.
Cheese, no cheese.
Sir is not cheesy.
शायद, yeah. I mean, we try and avoid, cheese and a lot of oil or fried things.
Right.
Yeah, थोड़ा देखिए, आप कुछ करना है तो sacrifice तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, no pain, no gain.
Yes,
No.
absolutely.
Yeah, and that sounds like a healthy kitchen to me. And sir, next question है, आप किस चीज़ से दूर भाग रहे हो लाइफ में आजकल? One thing you're running away from आजकल, किस चीज़ से?
Probably sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And other thing, it doesn't have to be food items. Generally, yeah.
Generally,
Yeah.
no, I don't. Nothing comes to my mind, honestly. Yeah, for me, सब कुछ challenge ही है. जो भी.
I keep running away from social media.
Okay. No, मतलब if you're addicted, then you try to run away, right? If you आपको जब आपका boundaries पता है, then you don't have to run away from anything.
And Mr. Venkatesh Prasad talking about boundaries. That's irony right there. Right.
Yeah, we have to play within that boundary, right? And being a bowler, I definitely don't like the batters to hit me for boundaries or out of the boundary.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure that the ball is within the boundary.
Well said. So one last thing. You look very disciplined to me. You look like a person who's like 10 on 10 when it comes to discipline. What is that one habit, one vice जो आप खोना चाहते हो? कोई bad habit है जिसको आप lose करना चाहते हो? ऐसा कुछ है? लगता तो नहीं है.
I know, yeah, you said it. Yeah, like, well, look, for me, I'm a very boring person. Why I say that is because I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't party, and I don't eat non-vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian all my life.
Right.
I've been a vegetarian, so yeah, that's about it. So, किससे हम दूर जाना है?
There's nothing, no bad habit. One good habit that you want
Well,
to
I won't say
inculcate.
the bad habit, but I don't have that habit. Yeah, but कुछ लोग बोल सकते हैं कि I mean, so what? It's my habit. I like it करके बोल सकते हैं. But then I am not discouraging anything or anybody. It's their life,
Right.
their choice. But this is what is me.
Right. Well, I told you he's inspiring. There's a 10 on 10. But sir, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for talking to me. And I hope people join the marathon and be a part of it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Lovely talking to you too.